Hello students, welcome to my channel NCERT on Go. As you all know that I have already provided the extra questions of your first part, The Sound of Music, in my previous video, and today I am here with the extra questions of second part, that is the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. So students, moving towards, I'm here with my very first question. Who banned the playing of Pungi at royal residence and why? Answer is Emperor Aurangzeb banned the playing of Pungi in the royal residence because it had a shrill, unpleasant sound. Unpleasant means which is not good, which is not soothing. Question number second is who at first decided to improve the quality of Pungi? Answer is it was a barber from the family of professional musicians who at first decided to improve the tonal quality of Pungi. I hope you guys understand. Question number 3 is what name was given to the new musical instrument made by barber? When he rectified or improved the quality of Pungi, what was the name of the instrument that derived from there? It was named Shehnai. Next question is how did the Shehnai get its name? It's a very important question, that from where Shehnai got its name. Since it was first played in the Shah's chambers and was played by a nai, barber को हिंदी में हम नाई कहते हैं. So the combination of two words Shah and Nai formed the name Shehnai. I hope guys आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Question number 5 is who was Ali Bux and what was his profession? Answer is Ali Bux was Bismillah's maternal uncle. Maternal uncle means उनके मामा थे. The relationships we have from our mother are known as maternal and the relationship we share from our father will be considered as paternal. So here maternal is mentioned. So वो उनके मामा थे. He was employed to play the Shehnai in the Vishnu temple of Varanasi. Means this was basically his profession. Question number 6 is why did Bismillah Khan accompany his uncle? Answer is Bismillah Khan accompanied his uncle to learn the art of playing Shehnai from him. Students, I have next question here. How old was Bismillah Khan when he participated in the Allahabad Music Conference? He was only 14 years old. Next, it's an important question. Name the highest civilian award of India won by Bismillah Khan. Which award was given to Bismillah Khan? The question can be in this sense also. Bharat Ratna was the name of award. Students, I have 9th question here. When was Bismillah Khan born and which family did he belong to? Answer is he was born on March 21st, 1916. He belonged to a well-known family of musicians in Bihar. Means the background of family was associated with music. Question number 10 is why was Bismillah Khan so attached to the Ganga? Ganga means the holy river Ganga. So answer is Bismillah Khan was greatly attached to the Ganga. He had spent his childhood playing and practicing Shehnai on the banks of river Ganga. He got inspiration of developing new ragas from the holy river Ganga. उन्होंने अपना सारा बचपन गंगा के बैंक्स मीन्स किनारे सारा बचपन उन्होंने अपना गंगा के किनारे प्रैक्टिसिंग करते हुए बिताया था, ये शहनाई प्ले करते हुए, और वहीं से उन्होंने नए नए रागास डेवलप करने सीखे थे. Why does the author believe that Bismillah Khan's life is a perfect example of rich cultural heritage of India? So India has always shown a liberal attitude to all communities and religions. Its cultural heritage is a blend. Blend means mixture of various castes and creeds. इंडिया में काफ़ी लिबरल एटीट्यूड है. यहाँ पे बहुत टाइप की कम्युनिटीज़ पाई जाती हैं, बहुत टाइप के रिलीजन्स हैं. ठीक है, इसीलिए ये कास्ट और क्रीड्स का एक परफेक्ट मिक्सचर है. बिस्मिल्लाह खान्स लाइफ परफेक्टली रिप्रेजेंट्स दिस ब्लेंड. ऑल्दो अ डिवोट मुस्लिम, Khan Sahib played the Shehnai in the Kashi Vishwanath temple every morning. That means वो एक मुस्लिम थे, but still वो काशी विश्वनाथ टेम्पल में एवरी मॉर्निंग शहनाई प्ले किया करते थे. स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई हैव, व्हाट वर द रेकरिंग थीम्स ऑफ बिस्मिल्लाह खान्स म्यूजिक. सो स्टूडेंट्स, रेकरिंग मीन्स रिपीटेडली. सो उनकी जो म्यूजिक था उसके रेकरिंग थीम्स, रिपीटेड थीम्स क्या थे. बिस्मिल्लाह खान was a true Indian at heart. The recurring themes of his music were the ethics of temples and human relationship. मीन्स उनकी मेनली जो म्यूज़िक जो शहनाई से वो प्ले करते थे उसमें कहीं ना कहीं टेम्पल्स के एथिक्स, भजन्स और कहीं ना कहीं ह्यूमन रिलेशनशिप, इन सब के थीम्स रिफ्लेक्ट होते थे. द फ्लोइंग वाटर्स ऑफ गंगा इंस्पायर्ड हिम टू इम्प्रूव एंड इन्वेंट रागास. Question number 13 is, it's again an important question. Which films did Bismillah Khan provided music for? Why did he discontinue playing the Shehnai in films? Answer is, Bismillah Khan ventured into the film world with Vijay Bhatt's Goonj Uthi Shehnai. This was the name of film which was directed by Vijay Bhatt. Then he played in a Kannada film Samadhi Appana. Though he was very successful, he gave up the film world because his tastes did not tune well with the artificiality and glamour of film industry. Ustad Bismillah Khan ji was very down to earth person. He said that I can't live in this glamour world. I can't tune well with this artificiality, or I can say materialistic nature of film industry. That's why he gave up, or I can say discontinuing playing the Shehnai in films. So students, I have mentioned 2 long questions. Questions are in the form of statements. These are very important questions. Coming towards my first long question, music has no religion. How did Bismillah Khan's Shehnai prove it? Basically इसका क्रक्स मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि म्यूज़िक कोई भी धर्म नहीं देखता. Though he was a devout Muslim, still he used to play Shehnai in a temple in Banaras. Okay, तो it means music कोई religion नहीं देखता. Answer is, music is the voice of soul. It is sacred beyond the religion. Bismillah Khan, who belonged to the Muslim community, played Shehnai in temples. He was deeply attached to the holy city of Banaras and the holy river of Ganga. Basically, Ganga is, we Hindu people considered it as a holy river, but though he was a Muslim, still he loves Ganga so much, he was deeply attached with that. So all these things shows us that music has no religion. The river Ganga and its flowing water were the main sources of inspiration for him. He could never think of leaving Banaras and holy river Ganga. Since his childhood, he was fond of music. As a 5-year-old child, he used to visit Bihariji temple at Dumrao to sing Bhojpuri Chaita. बहुत छोटी सी उम्र में ही डुमराव उनका विलेज था, वहाँ पे वो बिहारी जी का टेम्पल में चैता, इट इज़ अ आई कैन से ओल्ड फोक सॉन्ग और अ भजन. His love for music was so deeply influenced by Banaras and Ganga that once a student from USA wanted him to head a Shehnai school there. He was very renowned Shehnai maestro, so he used to represent the country on international levels. Once he went for an event at USA and one of the students there said that, sir, please stay here and help my students to learn Shehnai. But he refused. He said that I can't live here because you can't bring Ganga here and I can't live without the vibes and atmosphere of Banaras. Okay, that student promised him to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras in the USA by replicating the temple. उस student ने कहा कि सर मैं आपके लिए बनारस का एनवायरनमेंट यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर दूंगा, यहाँ पे मैं टेम्पल्स क्रिएट कर दूंगा. बट बिस्मिल्लाह खान रिफ्यूज्ड बाय सेइंग दैट ही कुडंट टेक द गंगा देयर. उन्होंने उन्हें क्या कहा कि लेकिन तुम गंगा को यहाँ पर कैसे लाओगे या नहीं ला सकते, और आई कांट लिव विदाउट दैट होली एटमॉस्फेयर. आई कांट लिव विदाउट गंगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Bismillah Khan on receiving the Bharat Ratna remarked, "Teach your children music. This is Hindustan's richest tradition. Even the West is now coming to learn our music. What does it reveal about his sentiments towards India?" Bismillah Khan as a person was full of intense and strong patriotic emotions. Patriotic means देश भक्ति की भावना. He had a profound and passionate love for his birthplace Jumrao in Bihar and for Banaras where he took training to play Shehnai. He feels a deep connectivity with Ganga because the flowing waters of holy river made him play new ragas, the ones which were earlier regarded to be beyond the range of Shehnai. He was so attached to his country and river Ganga that he refused to settle down in USA to head a school for Shehnai. कितना बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी था कि यूएसए में उन्हें एक शहनाई स्कूल का हेड बनाया जा रहा था, बट स्टिल उन्होंने मना कर दिया बिकॉज उनमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा पैट्रियोटिक फीलिंग थी. ही नेवर वॉन्टेड टू लीव हिज कंट्री. बिस्मिल्लाह खान हैड अ ग्रेट रिगार्ड फॉर द हिंदुस्तानी म्यूज़िक विच फॉर हिम इज़ द रिचेस्ट कल्चरल हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया. उन्होंने कहा कि म्यूज़िक ही हमारा हेरिटेज है, कल्चर है, हमारा खजाना है, हमारी धरोहर है. He wanted the tradition of Indian music to be carried on from generation to generation. That is why he advised the people of India to teach music to their children and felt proud that this music fascinated the people of West.